Hi, my name is Krista, and I'm 14 years old. My whole life, I've known that I've been different from other kids. My body is really small and thin, and not because I don't eat. My skin has all these loose folds. On my chest and tummy, you can see my veins as if my skin's paper thin. My eyes are bigger than most kids, too, and some people at school call me owl eyes. I hate it. My body just has all these problems. I get bruises all the time, even when I'm careful. I get muscle pains a lot, and so of course my mom makes me stay out of sports. And sometimes my skin tears. It just plain rips in two. That doesn't happen to normal kids. That's why last week I went to the doctor to have some testing done, and that's why today I get to go back and hear the results. What was that word? Ehlers-Danlos? I guess that's what I have. Dr. Gray says I've got something called Ehlers-Danlos syndrome, type 4, or something like that. It means that my collagen levels are really off, and my blood vessels and organs are really prone to tearing. My mom asked if there's a cure. Dr. Gray says, no, there's not, though some people get surgery to minimize the appearance of their deformity. I don't know much about surgery, but I know it's expensive, and I know with my medical bills, we can never afford that. As we drive home from the doctor, I start to feel pretty scared. Apparently even my veins aren't safe. They're even thinner than my paper-thin skin. I guess that's why 80% of people with my type of Ehlers-Danlos syndrome develop life-threatening complications by the time they're 40. But I want to be a survivor. Maybe it's true that 1 in 100,000 people have this disorder, but I don't believe that 1 in 100,000 people will let themselves be beaten by it.